Thinking about buying a wireless car vacuum cleaner but not sure which one to pick? The market is packed with options. Some promise super powerful suction, others focus on budget-friendly pricing, while many highlight features like cordless convenience, compact size, and 2-in-1 vacuum and blower functionality. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real customer reviews, performance, and ratings to bring you the top 5 best wireless car vacuum cleaners 2026. Perfect for car owners, daily commuters, travelers, and anyone who wants fast, hassle-free cleaning for both car and home. These modern handheld vacuums are designed to be lightweight, portable, and powerful enough to remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces with ease. So don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Item number 5. The Basis A5 Air Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and compact wireless cleaning solution designed for both car and home use. Featuring advanced cyclone technology and strong suction, it easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair from tight spaces. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, while the 2-in-1 vacuum and compression function adds versatility. With a 90W motor, USB-C charging, and low noise operation under 65 dB, it delivers efficient performance. The built-in smart blockage alarm helps maintain smooth operation, making cleaning faster and more convenient. Item number 4. The SZUK Mini Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers powerful suction performance, making it perfect for both car and home cleaning. Equipped with a 100W motor and high-efficiency HEPA filter, it captures dust, debris, and allergens with ease. Its cordless, lightweight design ensures portability, while multiple nozzles and modes provide versatile cleaning options. Supporting both wet and dry use, it handles spills and dirt effortlessly. The built-in Li-ion battery and turbo brush enhance deep cleaning, making it a reliable and convenient everyday cleaning solution. Item number 3. The SZUK 2026 Mini Wireless Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for both car and home use. With strong suction performance and an 80W motor, it easily removes dust, debris, and spills. Its cordless, handheld design ensures easy portability, while the HEPA filter captures fine particles efficiently. Equipped with multiple nozzles and a turbo brush, it offers versatile cleaning options. Supporting wet and dry cleaning, this mini vacuum is perfect for quick, convenient, and effective everyday cleaning tasks. Item number 2. This wireless vacuum cleaner is a high-power cleaning solution designed for both car and home use. Equipped with a strong 120W motor, it delivers powerful suction to remove dust, dirt, and debris with ease. Its cordless design ensures maximum convenience and portability, allowing you to clean anywhere without hassle. Lightweight and easy to handle, it is perfect for quick cleanups in tight spaces. With reliable performance and simple operation, it's an ideal choice for everyday cleaning needs. Item number 1. The SenRR Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful handheld device designed for efficient cleaning in both cars and homes. With a strong 100W motor and high suction performance, it easily removes dust, debris, and pet hair. Its cordless and lightweight design ensures portability and ease of use. Equipped with multiple nozzles, HEPA filtration, and wet and dry functionality, it handles various cleaning tasks effortlessly. The compact design and reliable battery make it a convenient solution for everyday cleaning needs.